The excavator groaned, its massive arm, laden with tons of rock, swung precariously. John, the operator, fought for control. The ground, soaked from days of rain, gave way. The behemoth tipped. John braced himself. He felt a surge of adrenaline. The world turned sideways. A crash, then silence. John coughed, momentarily stunned but miraculously unhurt. He looked up. The cab was crushed against the earth. He had inches to spare. His heart pounded in his ears. This was a stark reminder. In this line of work, danger was a constant companion. This wasn't just another day on the job. It was a testament to the razor-thin margin for error when you're wrestling with machines this powerful. Every move mattered. Every decision could be the difference between walking away and being carried away. 30 tons. That's the weight of a full-grown humpback whale. Now imagine lifting it with grace and precision, placing it on a dime. That's the daily grind for the operators of colossal steel coil handlers. These machines, with their intricate systems of hydraulics and gears, turn raw power into balletic movements. They lift, rotate, and position these monstrous coils with surprising delicacy. The operators, masters of their domain, navigate tight spaces and overcome logistical hurdles with the expertise of seasoned chess players. It's a dance between man and machine, a testament to engineering brilliance, and a stark reminder of the sheer force these machines wield. The air was thick with dust and anticipation. A grain silo, towering over the landscape, stood bloated and menacing. It was on the verge of collapse. The call went out. A team of heavy machinery operators, veterans of countless battles against the odds, answered. Controlled demolition. It's a delicate dance with destruction. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and the consequences could be catastrophic. The team worked with synchronized precision. Charges were set. The countdown began. The earth shook. A thunderous roar ripped through the air. The silo, consumed by a cloud of dust and debris, crumbled inward on itself. The team had won again, but the victory was bittersweet. A reminder that even in controlled chaos, danger lurks around every corner. The mud was a relentless enemy, swallowing tires and testing the limits of man and machine. A logging truck, laden with timber, was hopelessly mired. But hope arrived in the form of two unlikely heroes, a bulldozer and a skidder. The dozer, with its massive blade, cut a path through the muck, creating a lifeline. The skidder, equipped with a powerful winch, took up the slack. Cables strained, engines roared, and the mud fought back. But inch by agonizing inch, the truck began to move. This was teamwork at its finest, a testament to the ingenuity and sheer grit of those who operate these machines. Proof that even in the face of adversity, when man and machine unite, there's no obstacle they can't overcome. Mud, sweat, and gears, the relentless LKT-81 Turbo. In the world of forestry, where the terrain is unforgiving and the work is relentless, one machine stands out above the rest, the LKT-81 Turbo, a name that evokes images of ruggedness and power. This machine is not just a piece of equipment. It is a symbol of strength and resilience, designed to tackle the toughest challenges that nature can throw at it. This articulated forestry tractor is a beast in its element, navigating dense forests and conquering challenging terrain with unwavering determination. Whether it's hauling massive logs uphill or weaving through thick underbrush, the LKT-81 Turbo performs with unmatched efficiency. Imagine a ballet dancer, graceful and agile, then picture that dancer carved from steel and powered by a roaring engine. The LKT-81 Turbo combines the elegance of precise movement with the brute force of industrial power. That's the LKT-81 Turbo in action. It doesn't just move through the forest, it commands it, turning the chaotic wilderness into a well-orchestrated performance of machinery and nature. It maneuvers through tight spaces with the precision of a surgeon, its articulated frame allowing it to twist and turn with remarkable agility. This flexibility is crucial in forestry operations, where every inch of movement can make a difference. The whine of the hydraulics, the growl of the engine, the crunch of tires on undergrowth, these are the sounds of progress. Each sound tells a story of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of overcoming nature's obstacles. The LKT-81 Turbo, a testament to human ingenuity, tames the wilderness and reminds us that even in the face of nature's fury, we can persevere. It stands as a beacon of what can be achieved when engineering meets determination, proving that no terrain is too tough and no challenge too great. Underneath its rugged exterior lies a heart of innovation. The engine, a marvel of modern engineering, provides the raw power needed to drive through the most demanding environments. Every component is meticulously designed to ensure durability and performance. Rain, snow, or sunshine, the LKT-81 Turbo is built to withstand it all. Its robust construction and advanced technology ensure that it remains operational in the harshest of conditions, making it an indispensable tool for forestry professionals. The operators of the LKT-81 Turbo are not just drivers, they are pilots navigating a mechanical marvel. The intuitive controls and ergonomic design make it easier for them to perform their tasks with precision and confidence. As the sun sets and the forest grows quiet, the LKT-81 Turbo stands as a silent guardian of the woods. Its work may be done for the day, but its legacy of strength and perseverance continues, inspiring those who witness its relentless spirit. The malfunction. A moment of truth. The crane groaned, its massive arm frozen mid-air. The sound echoed across the construction site, a harbinger of impending disaster. Workers on the ground looked up, their faces a mix of confusion and fear. The machinery, usually so reliable, had betrayed them at the worst possible moment. The load, a precariously balanced stack of steel beams, swayed gently. Each movement seemed to defy gravity, threatening to come crashing down at any second. The beams, heavy and unforgiving, were a ticking time bomb suspended in the air. The tension was palpable, a silent scream that echoed in the hearts of everyone present. Panic flickered in the eyes of the operator. A malfunction. His hands, usually steady and sure, trembled ever so slightly. He knew the stakes. One wrong move could spell disaster. The weight of responsibility bore down on him, a crushing force that threatened to overwhelm his senses. His worst nightmare come true. Time seemed to slow down. Every second stretched into an eternity, each heartbeat a deafening drum in his ears. The world outside the cab blurred, leaving only the controls and the swaying load in sharp focus. It was a surreal moment, a battle between man and machine. The operator, his training kicking in, fought to remain calm. He took a deep breath, forcing his mind to focus. Years of experience and countless hours of training had prepared him for this moment. He knew what he had to do, and he knew he had to do it perfectly. He went through the emergency procedures, his mind racing. Each step was a lifeline, a thread of hope in the chaos. He pressed buttons, adjusted levers, and monitored gauges with a precision born of necessity. There was no room for error, no margin for mistake. Every second felt like an eternity. The pressure was immense. Sweat trickled down his forehead, a testament to the strain he was under. The clock in the cab ticked loudly, each second a reminder of the urgency of the situation. He could feel the weight of every eye on him, the silent prayers of his colleagues. This was a test of character, a moment that separated the merely competent from the truly skilled. It was a crucible, a trial by fire that would reveal the true measure of a man. The operator knew that his actions in the next few moments would define his career and possibly save lives. The operator, relying on his experience and instincts, managed to slowly lower the load to safety. Inch by inch, the beams descended, the tension in the air slowly dissipating. It was a delicate dance, a symphony of precision and control. Finally, the load touched the ground, and a collective breath was released. A collective sigh of relief swept over the construction site. The danger had passed, and the workers allowed themselves a moment of respite. They exchanged glances, their faces reflecting a shared sense of relief and gratitude. The crisis had been averted, but the memory of it would linger. The malfunction served as a stark reminder. In this line of work, complacency could be fatal. It was a lesson learned the hard way, a sobering reality check. The workers knew that they had been lucky this time, but luck was a fickle ally. Vigilance and preparedness were their true safeguards. The guardians of precision. Safety isn't just a word on a sign, it's a commitment, a promise, and a way of life. For those who operate heavy machinery, safety is a code they live by. It's ingrained in their every action, every decision, and every movement. They understand that a single mistake can have devastating consequences, not just for themselves, but for their colleagues and the entire project. These men and women are the guardians of precision. They are the silent sentinels who ensure that every task is executed flawlessly, every lever pulled, every button pressed, every movement calculated. It's all done with a meticulous attention to detail. Their hands are steady, their minds focused. They inspect their machines with the care of surgeons, checking for even the slightest sign of wear and tear. Their eyes are trained to spot the smallest anomalies. They plan their moves with the strategic foresight of generals, anticipating potential hazards and devising contingency plans. Every blueprint is studied, every scenario considered. They are the unsung heroes of construction, demolition, and every industry that relies on heavy machinery. Their work is often behind the scenes, but its impact is monumental. Their dedication to safety ensures that projects are completed on time, on budget, and most importantly, without incident. They take pride in their work, knowing that their vigilance keeps everyone safe. Continuous training and education are part of their routine. They stay updated with the latest safety protocols and technological advancements to ensure they are always at the top of their game. Before the start of each day, they perform rigorous safety checks, ensuring that every piece of equipment is in perfect working condition. Their checklists are thorough, leaving no room for error. Safety discussions are a regular part of their day. They share experiences, discuss potential risks, and brainstorm solutions to ensure a safe working environment for everyone. As the sun sets over the construction site, these guardians of precision reflect on their day's work. They know that their commitment to safety and precision is what makes their project successful and their team strong. Their camaraderie and teamwork are built on a foundation of trust and mutual respect. They know that they can rely on each other to uphold the highest standards of safety and precision. As they pack up their equipment and prepare for the next day's challenges, they carry with them the pride of knowing that they are the guardians of precision, the unsung heroes who make it all possible. Calculated risks, calculated rewards. In the world of heavy machinery, risk is an ever-present companion, but it's not a reckless gamble. It's a calculated dance with danger. Every operation involves a careful assessment of the risks involved. Operators rely on their training, experience, and instincts to make split-second decisions that can mean the difference between success and disaster. They weigh the potential rewards against the potential consequences, always mindful of the safety of themselves and those around them. It's a high-stakes game, but one they play with skill and determination, because they understand that the true reward lies not just in completing the task, but in doing so safely and responsibly. Respect the machine, respect the risk. Heavy machinery is more than just steel and hydraulics. It represents human ingenuity, raw power, and the potential for both creation and destruction. To operate these machines is to hold that power in your hands. It's a privilege earned through hard work, dedication, and a deep respect for the inherent risks involved. It's a constant learning process, a journey of self-improvement, and a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who choose this path. So the next time you see a skyscraper reaching for the sky, a bridge spanning a mighty river, or a road winding its way through rugged terrain, remember the men and women behind the machines. They are the ones who make it all possible.